Hello guys, welcome to Happy Streamers channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video I'm gonna show you how to change home location on Google Maps. So guys, let's continue into your Google Maps. Now tap on the profile icon in the right side of corner. Tap on settings. Now tap on edit home or work. And then tap on the three dot icon besides home. Tap on edit home. Now you can add or change your home location here, and also you can create a new saved location and give it a different label. And after selecting, tap on save. Tap on done. Now again open it. So guys, you can see the saved location have updated on the map, and that's how you can change home location on Google Maps very easily. So guys, I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, then please give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching the video.